Hello everyone. Today I am delighted to introduce our latest spot welder, the PTI Genius Plus. It is a fifth-generation inverter machine fitted with a built-in transformer gun, hence the name PTI, which is shared with other machines in our range. It is also equipped with a high-performance boom, a 7-inch HMI, and an 8-gallon coolant tank, allowing it to achieve a welding speed of 15 spots per minute. It delivers an effective welding current of 14,500 amps, which is required to weld all the new types of steel used in modern vehicles. As we mentioned, the PTI Genius Plus gun features an integrated transformer which maximizes the power delivered to the electrode tip. Current flow is also improved by the innovative mechanical design of the connection point, which is made of brass, and the opening and closing mechanism has the advantage of automatically locking the cooling circuit. Changing the arm has never been quicker or easier. The clamping force of this clamp can reach 1,349 pounds. Note the safety feature here, a sphere which allows the arm to move freely while keeping it securely attached to the gun. This means an operator can work and maneuver the arm in difficult-to-access areas without the risk of dropping it. For hard-to-reach areas, the user can simply utilize the pneumatic over-opening mechanism, which they can control directly from the double-sided gun. In addition to the practicality it offers, the pneumatic opening mechanism allows for the replacement of an arm, in this case, the G1, with an X-arm. The PTI Genius Plus gun is the lightest on the market. It weighs 27 pounds and is supported by a boom. For better ergonomics, the gun allows simple 360-degree rotation. The overhead boom system featured on the PTI Genius Plus is motorized and controlled from the gun. It offers a working height of up to over 9 feet, allowing work to be carried out on a frame rack, as well as a minimum height of 4 feet. This machine offers a very wide range of motion. And finally, the cable lock. A patented GYS innovation allows the user to detach the double-sided gun and use the nearly 20 feet of cable. After starting the machine, it asks us to confirm the arm that is attached to the gun. In this case, the G1 arm. Next, calibration is required. Perform a spot weld without a workpiece to calibrate automatic mode. The machine is then ready to use. Before we continue, if you'd like more information about the interface, check out one of our many videos on this topic. Automatic mode is of great assistance when working on assembly. There is no longer any need to tell the machine which panel you are working on or what its thickness is. Thanks to 2 sensors located in the gun, it is able to measure the thickness of the sheet metal and determine the type of material. Depending on the thickness and type of workpiece, the machine will adjust the welding parameters to achieve the perfect spot weld, adjusting the intensity, duration, and clamping force. The calibration that was carried out earlier means that these sensors are properly calibrated. Our machines also offer a feature, traceability, which simply allows you to record your work. In this module, you can create multiple projects, which are often identified by the vehicle VIN number. You can only work on one project at a time, but you have the option to pause the recording, work on another project, and then return to the original project. You can tell the machine which area of the vehicle you are working on. This will appear in the report alongside the welding parameters recorded by the machine. This report will help you out certify the quality of the repair. You can export this report via the USB port on the front panel, which is also used to update the machine. You now know the essentials of how our PTI Genius Plus works, a machine designed to simplify the life of automotive repair professionals. With its 7-inch user interface and just 3 buttons, as well as its advanced ergonomics, will ensure user comfort during use. Finally, its high cycle, multiple features, and overall performance ensure you achieve work of exceptional quality regardless of external conditions or the intensity of your workload. In short, Investing in this machine means investing in quality, efficiency, and performance. Thank you for your attention. Please follow us on our various social media platforms to keep up to date with all our latest news. Goodbye.